Your website is your brand's first impression, and 75% of users judge credibility in 3 seconds. Here's how to build one that truly represents you. Your brand is more than a logo. It's your story, values, and promise. Yet most websites feel like generic templates instead of authentic brand experiences. Let's change that. The brand-aligned website journey. Discovery phase. Define your brand voice: friendly, authoritative, innovative. Identify core audience pain points your brand solves. Map competitor gaps to stand out visually. Design strategy. Color psychology. Blues build trust. Reds drive action. Use intentionally. Typography hierarchy. Guide eyes to your most important message. Imagery that reflects real customers, not stock photo cliches. Functional integration. Mobile first, 60% of users bounce if your site isn't thumb-friendly. Speed optimization. Every 1-second delay equals 7% conversion drop. Clear CT. Does that match your brand's personality? E.g., let's create versus buy now. Why this matters. 88% of consumers won't return after a bad brand experience. Consistent branding across platforms increases revenue by 23%. Your website should feel like a natural extension of your best customer interaction. Comment brand for my free website personality quiz. Discover if your site is bold innovator, trusted advisor, or creative storyteller.